Hi guys, Richard of RGK Detailing. Behind me is a gorgeous Bentley Bentagya that I've just completed. So this belongs to a returning client who likes every car that he buys to look its absolute best. So his first port of call is to bring the car in for some comprehensive detailing. So this has undergone a multi-stage paintwork correction detail, and the main reason for that is every Bentley is wet sanded at the factory to give the paintwork that really smooth finish free of orange peel. So that just means that this car was covered in lots of sanding haze. It had a bit of a cloudiness to the finish and a number of sort of fine lines, so it just needed a bit of finessing to really get that deep glossy, and you can see the clarity in the finish now. You can see that pearlescent flake. It just needed a lot of polishing to really bring out the colour. And of course it's then been treated with GYEON Infinite ceramic coating, so that's on all the paintwork and the trim. I've had the wheels off and they've been fully coated inside and out, including the brake calipers. So they'll be very easy to clean and keep them looking nice. The grill's been coated, that took forever. The glass has also been coated. As you can see, the paintwork is like glass, it's very, very glossy. And of course the interior has been treated as well. The owner likes always his cars to have any trace of previous ownership removed, so that they look, smell and feel like brand new. This is 6 months old, so I've given the interior a very thorough detail to remove any marks, and all of the surfaces, all of this leather, which is absolutely everywhere, has been treated with GYEON leather coat, which is a ceramic coating specifically for leather surfaces. So this means the leather will stay cleaner for longer. It'll be much easier to take care of. It will reduce abrasions and wear and tear, especially on the bolsters. And it smells like a new car again. Now of course this is a high value car, however I'm happy to work on a car of any age and any value. So if your car is your pride and joy and you want it to look its absolute best and be well protected, then please do get in touch with me and I'll be happy to talk through the options with you. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.